Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find your Brave version, okay? Actually, I'm going to show you two ways. So the first option is by going to the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. So click on it. Now go ahead and find settings, okay? Click on settings and here go to the bottom left. Now here we have about Brave, okay? As you can see here, we now have the version section. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on it. As you can see here we have the version. Okay, now another option to check, go ahead and open up a new tab. Now just type down Brave :/version. Okay, hit on enter. And as you can see here, we now have 1.85.188. Okay, and that is it. That's how easy it is to find your Brave version. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.